You likely already understand that leading projects well is a high-value skill. Earning the Project Management Professional, PMP, certification from the Project Management Institute elevates that skill into a globally recognized credential, one that signals leadership, expertise, and strategic capability. To qualify for the PMP certification, you must meet strict eligibility requirements. If you hold a 4-year degree, you need at least 36 months of experience leading and directing projects within the past 8 years, 4,500 hours of that work, and 35 hours of project management education. Holding the CAPM certification or taking an official PMP exam prep course can stand in for 35 hours of education. If you hold a high school diploma or an associate degree, you'll need 60 months of experience leading and directing projects, 7,500 hours, and the same 35 hours of formal education. You'll submit an application to PMI documenting your education, your experience, and the project management education hours, and you may be selected for an audit. Renewal also matters. Once certified, you'll need to earn 60 professional development units, PDUs, every 3 years to maintain your credential. The PMP exam tests your ability to lead projects in today's business environment. Under the headings of people, process, and business environment, there are 180 multiple choice questions, and you have 230 minutes to complete them, which is just under 4 hours. The exam reflects the current project realities: agile practice, hybrid methods, stakeholder leadership, risk management, value delivery, and strategic alignment. It isn't simply a test of tools, it's a demonstration of how you apply project management to drive outcomes. For PMI members, the exam fee is $425, and for non-members, it's $675 in the US. Many candidates prepare over 2 to 6 months, but aim for a total of 60 to 120 hours of study. Begin with a detailed study plan. Review PMI's PMP examination content outline, map out study domains, set weekly goals, and schedule your exam date to create momentum. Use structured training. Many courses on project management prepare you to fulfill the 35 hours of education requirement and build exam readiness. Include practice questions, mock exams, and review sessions. Use real projects if possible, lead or direct initiatives, apply Agile or manage budgets and teams. That deepens your understanding and makes the exam more than a test. It becomes a reflection of your professional practice. Join peer groups, mentorship programs, or study forums. Names you recognize on your application and connections you build during preparation often translate into opportunities later. Finally, keep your study regular and realistic. Progress measured weekly beats cramming. Every hour invested becomes an asset not only for the exam, but for your career. The PMP certification is one of the most respected credentials in project management worldwide. According to PMI's Earning Power Survey, PMP certified professionals reported 33% higher median salaries compared to non-certified peers. That's pretty significant. Having the PMP signals to employers that you can lead complex projects, align with business strategy, manage teams and stakeholders, and deliver results. It opens pathways to roles like project manager, program manager, PMO lead, or head of projects. We suggest you start by reviewing the eligibility tabs on the PMI website to confirm your experience aligns. Then block out calendar time for your first study week. Choose a training program that covers the PMP domains and provides the 35-hour education you need. Finally, document at least 2 past projects where you led key phases. This will prepare your application and deepen your understanding. Your next career chapter in project leadership starts with commitment and preparation. By earning the PMP certification, you equip yourself with the credential, knowledge, and confidence to advance in project management. Check the links in the description for helpful resources and explore courses on Coursera to build your knowledge and readiness.